Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the B Dasher and this is the Baby Mario version. This is by Hot Wheels from the Mario Kart series. So I bought this for 5.99, which is the MRP. To be very honest with you guys, the last two castings which we unboxed from this particular set, total disappointment. At least for me, personally, it is not worth the money which I paid as a collector. Okay, I really don't want to waste any more time on this, so I'm just unboxing it right away. See, the only reason I bought this because I grew up playing Mario, so like most of the gamers does. That's the reason I bought it. I just want to have some kind of tribute for that particular character in my collection. So I bought only Mario and Bowser. Okay, so out of the box, the casting looks really nice. As I already as okay, wait. I think this one is okay. This is full metal, guys. This it has metal body and metal chassis. I don't know why they put a different set of rivert here. Maybe the Mario is sitting here, so that's the rivert here. I guess. I think you can remove this if you have this specific set of screwdriver here. I don't think I have it, but I'm pretty sure you can remove it if you have this matching screwdriver here. Okay, so rest of these things, the exhaust here, it looks really good, but this entire set is plastic. So the baby Mario itself is plastic. It looks he actually looks dorky to be to be very frank with you guys. So I never actually played that much as baby Mario, in any game. Maybe one game where Yoshi carries Mario, I think Paper Mario. I don't remember it now because there are a lot of Mario versions. The original, when I was a kid, I used to play only two, two or three variations of Mario. I mean, end of the day, the game looks the same. The only Moon Mario, where you can jump really high and slow. It is easy for you to cross those huge gaps. I mean, hurdles in between. And there is a normal version of the Mario, and there was one more. I don't know. It started with some kind of firepower or something. So I don't remember it now. But these two I remember: the original version and the Moon version. Okay. So with that said, so this has plastic wheels. So at least this one they went with full metal casting, and it has windshield here that is made of white acrylic. That is really good. Yeah. This piece is also metal. The front splitter here. So this piece, this entire piece is plastic. Okay, let's weigh this casting. So this feels actually a bit heavier than those two which we did uh, before. Okay, 36 grams. Okay, it does feel a bit heavy, but it's only weighing 36 grams. Let's see how this one rolls. Okay, it obviously rolls really well because yeah, it is better than those two. It is fast. It doesn't really create that much noise. Yeah, it does roll really well. So let's rate this casting now. So I'm giving 9 out of 10. The one I'm taking because of this plastic wheels here. So it should have been rubber for this price point. Maybe they are going with proper rolling wheels, I guess. At least that part they did it really well. Compared to main lines, these are rolling really well. So from my perspective, I'm giving 9 out of 10. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.